Hello guys, I am R. Vasandakumar, Assistant Professor Mechanical, KSR College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about basics of renewable energy technologies. First of all, going to see about energy. Energy is the ability to do work or cause change. It exists in various forms and it can be converted from one form to another form. There are two types of energy based on the source of energy. First one is renewable energy, another one is non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy sources comes from sources that are finite and will eventually deplete. Example: coal, petroleum products, natural gas, nuclear energy. That all energy is nothing but fossil fuel energy. These fossil fuel energy are formed by the decomposition of the remains of dead plants and animals buried under the earth for a long time. These are non-renewable sources of energy if exhausted, which cannot be replenished in a short time. Their potentials are limited and are considered very precious. They should be used with care and caution to let them last long. They are also contributing to global environmental pollutions. We are utilizing the energy resources 20.9% of gas, 34.3% of oil, 0.2% of non-renewable waste, 25.1% of coal, 6.5% of nuclear energy, then 13% of energy are using renewable energies. Disadvantage of the non-renewable energy: it is not renewable. The fossil fuels release harmful emissions into the atmosphere, which contribute to the climate crisis. Nuclear power doesn't have this issue, but it does release other harmful pollutions into surrounding waterways. The renewable energy is energy that comes from sources that are naturally replenished on a human time scale. This means we can use them over and over again without them running out in our lifetime. Example of renewable energies: solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, bioenergy, and geoenergies. First of all, solar energy. Solar energy collected from sunlight. It can be used in many ways, such as generating electricity using photovoltaic cell, generating electricity by flat plate, and concentrating solar power. Then wind energy. The windmill converted kinetic energy of moving air into the mechanical energy, which can be either used directly to run the machine or to run the generator for producing electricity. Then tidal energy. Tides are generated primarily by the gravitational attraction between the earth and moon. They arise twice a day, mid-ocean. The tides range only a meter. Basically, in the tide power, water at a high tide is first trapped in the artificial basin and it is allowed to escape at low tide. The escaping water is used to drive the water turbines, which in turn drive electrical generators. Next, wave energy. The waves are created by the interaction of winds with the surface of seawater. Wave energy is the energy of interchanging potential and kinetic energy in the wave. Ozone wave energy can be either converted into mechanical energy or electrical energy through wave energy conversion plants. Next is geothermal energy. It is obtained by tapping the heat of the earth below its surface. Hot underground water or steam is used to produce electricity. Its use covers a range of options from power generation to space heating or air conditioning. Next, bioenergy. It is another important renewable energy source which covers a wide spectrum of energy activities from direct production, heat through combustion of fuel, wood, and other biomass residues to generate electricity and the production of gases, liquid fuels, and chemicals. Advantage of renewable energy. reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and combats climate changes. It can be constant source of energy, enhances energy security by reducing reliance on the limited fossil fuels. Thank you.